All right, Rob Frazier here. I did another video talking about Russell Brunson's Secrets Trilogy, and I want to just basically use this quick video to show you what that looks like for my own specific business. So right here I have basically one of the programs I promote, and with this particular program it has replicated, copy and paste, captured pages, which is what you're looking at right here, and it allows you to make a bridge page, which is something like this, which basically introduces yourself in front of the opportunity, and then the replicated sales page. So that right there is the company replicated stuff right there. Some of the company replicated stuff. So promoting this by itself is okay. However, after reading the Russell Brunson Secrets Trilogy, basically, and I'll just show you what that looks like. That's basically these books right here. So you got the Secrets book, and then you also have the whole trilogy, which is basically, I think it's $100, or I think that whole thing is $100. So you come in through this particular funnel. It's $9.95 for the Secrets book, and then this is the whole upsells and things like that. If you're watching this, I highly recommend getting the book right here. You can get the audiobook. I got it, but I never really listened to it. I did get this 2-day event thing here, but I never really listened to it. I did not get Funnelytics. If you're watching this, what I would recommend doing, get the Expert Secrets book. If you don't have a lot of time, get the audiobook, and then get this box set right here. And I think this box set, it has another little sneaky little upsell with all of the audio books for all of these. Or actually, you get access to the app, which I downloaded on my phone, and you can listen to the books on the app. So long story short, the only thing you really need is to grab these Expert Secrets book. And what I'm going to do is show you what that looks like for this particular opportunity that I'm promoting. So as I said, this right here is the company replicated capture page, the little bridge page that comes with the company. It's the stock system, if you will. You know, it's kind of like if you get a stock car before you add, a bigger engine, or add, mufflers or a sound system, stereo system, subwoofers, speakers, better tires. It's a stock system, and the stock system is okay. However, after taking all of the information that I learned by reading this audio, listening to the audio books, and some of them I have listened to because I do have the app, but I haven't listened to them all. But just reading through this Secrets Trilogy, which is basically what I'm circling right here with my mouse, and applying it, basically what I've done was created different pieces that helps me sell more of this opportunity. And this is documented. I have made more by applying different things I've learned in the Secrets books. So first, I've made my own capture pages. Basically, they have a whole bunch of templates and things like that in the back office of ClickFunnels, and that's the software program that I'm using for this. But one thing I want to share is that it's through going through all of the information in those Secrets books and applying it. So basically, instead of using a company replicated stuff, I have my own capture pages that I'm taking from proven templates, tweaking them a little bit, adding my own personality into, and basically creating my own system around that other business, if that makes sense. So this right here is one of the capture pages. And also, there's another product. It's one time $7. It's called Lead Funnels. It will help you create capture pages like this, and also gives you templates that you could just take and model. So this right here was basically an exact template of another capture page, and I just took it and added my own story in there. Strategy about to discover, help a former active duty Marine. You can see the whole thing here. And so now I'm the one marketing instead of the business, the replicated company system. So when people come here, they opt in. Instead of going to that other page, they go to a better bridge page, a lot more visually appealing. Has, you know, got the nice little background, got my video there. And then when folks click yes, give me the info, they're going to come to another page. Now this right here is an offer page. So basically, this gives me a one-up on everybody else promoting the same opportunity because I'm introducing myself. Here, I'm telling my story. I'm telling you what you're going to get. And when you come down here, I get my own personal bonuses that I can offer people. So this right here makes it more appealing for people to join me rather than people joining the company replicated website, which they hardly ever do. So this right here has helped me get more sales. And this isn't just with that particular opportunity, it's with everything. This is adding that expert secrets, I call it the Russell Brunson Secrets to the business, basically. Not to mention, they go through here, they come down, they get all my bonuses, basically learn how to create an offer, and when people click here, then they'll go through, I have it redirected to another webinar, to which I send them to the join page. One other thing is, with this company, you do get stock autoresponders. You get a total of 10 autoresponder messages. One thing you will learn in the Expert Secrets books is how to create your own autoresponder messages, which in my opinion is 100 times more effective than the stock replicated messages you see here. So yes, if you're just starting out, you can use these. However, you take that Expert Secrets, all right, the Russell Brunson Secrets, and apply it. So you go from here to coming up with your own soap opera series, which is a lot more effective. And I've gotten a lot more people responding to me through my soap opera series, and you'll learn what a soap opera series is when you read the book Expert Secrets. You can also get the information free off of YouTube. However, I recommend getting it straight from the source because there's no you just get the pure information rather than getting it secondhand from a video on YouTube. But this is what this looks like. I created my own soap opera series, and these emails statistically get opened way more than the stock company autoresponders. And with my emails, this is my email list, not the company's email list. In this case, not this company's email list. This is my own email list, and I tell my story, brand myself. So if something happens to the company, I could switch it out. Or if I want to promote another opportunity, I'll promote another opportunity through my Seinfeld series, and you'll learn what that is through when you grab the Expert Secrets book. And also, but that's what that basically looks like. I got my own capture pages, my own bridge page, my own offer page here where I can offer different bonuses, and I test and tweak and keep adding more bonuses as I go along, and it flat out works. It flat out works. It may sound like a lot, but it's really not. And also, if you get the books, this right here is basically what the the funnel will look like. It'll either be Expert Secrets or Traffic Secrets, but it's the same deal. The whole back end funnel is the same. Just get the book if you can. Get the box set, and just get a hold of me, and let's start masterminding, because I'd love to help you apply this model to your business. The Russell Brunson Secrets says, I'm going to just use that term, add the Russell Brunson Secrets to your business, and you will make more sales. Period. End of story. Doesn't matter what you're promoting. CBD, MLM, whatever, network marketing, digital products, digital information, your own courses, your own products, your own necklaces, your own whatever, it doesn't matter. You apply to Russell Brunson Secrets and you will make more sales, hands down, period. And there's a lot of other videos out there. I see people saying, oh, this is better and blah, blah, blah. Read these books and you'll see that there's nothing better out there. Hands down, period, end of story. My name is Rob Frazier. The link will be in the description of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.